site here on a project we started in Albion last year. It's a new build. We did the pool. It's a 20 by 40 ICF pool. We got the pool house. I'll take you guys down here. This thing still hasn't been open for the year, so it's a little bit low. Today we're cutting in these strips right here through the pool. So they're gonna go from here and they go all the way down through there. These are spillways that we built, so we built into it. So what it does is the water looks like it's coming out of the pool. So it'll be sheets of water that come out of the pool into these catch basins, and we'll have some plant material between each one. So we got 3 of those. And this is all travertine. This is imported from Turkey. Travertine right here, and then this is an onyx paver. So we got the gas fire pit here. We got a pergola up there. This is gonna be an outdoor kitchen right here. So you'll have a kitchen and then an island. And then we got kind of a built-in hot tub here. So what we did is we poured a slab down maybe about 2 feet or so, set the hot tub in there, and then we built essentially what's a deck. And we put these grates on top of it, so then we can lay the pavers on top of that, but then it's still serviceable later on. Got a nice fireplace here. So coming along good. We're getting pretty close to wrapping this one up. Some of these mugs are thin.
Some of them are high too.
This cut looks really straight.
Right.
So if we start trying to shave this in or out, you're gonna pick up on it. So it'd probably be better to just lightly grind this.
Okay.
Man, what a disaster if we gotta do all those. There's no way I can cut a blade width off though and keep it looking straight.
No. See that.
Put this piece back in there.
Gotcha. And then put
all the blackies in there, and then stand back and look at it and see what you have to do.
Okay.
Instead of trying to recut this whole thing right now with nothing to go off of, because you can't measure out for this line now, because I mean it's straight, but it might not be perfectly straight.
Right.
So yeah, let's do that first.
We do on those poles.
3/8.
That's what the only, we would just.
So this would be your limitation. You wouldn't be able to come any fatter. Like if you want to make it fatter,
16.
You're gonna, so we come down 19.
6 3/8. Like right here, I did cut going in, so I do think we'll eventually switch out some of this. But like overall, we do have a gap, you know.
Yeah, I would say that, which line do you think's straighter?
Well, I think we carry.
I mean, probably your hands. I didn't stand back and look at it though.
I would set it off the straighter line and recut the crap if we get a cut. So, I don't know.
I think if we do that though, then we're gonna cut the whole entire line.
So I say I'll carry this line through.
How do you want to do it? Gap it or? Because there's not much to gap it on.
Yeah, I don't know. Just lay it out. We can only cut this once, so I only got one shot at this. Like if my cuts are off or the angle is off, then I have to pull all this back up, relay it, remark it, recut it. So I measure multiple different times. That way I make sure I'm where I'm supposed to be.
And is that kind of what happened over there, or?
No, over there what happened is 2 different people were cutting. So he has a different style of cutting than I do. So if the same person cuts 2 lines, it's gonna come out the way it's supposed to. But if it's 2 people cutting, usually one person might take more of the line or less of the line, so your gaps will be a little bit off. Usually it doesn't matter because you usually don't have to cut 2 lines side by side. It would only be like around the edge of something. Grab a string and let's start with this one. We'll go from that far end, like where the kitchen's gonna be. We'll try to pull it as tight as we can to make sure that this is close to what it's got to be. How does that look right there, Brandon?
Veering that way. String needs to go. Line up a little more. That looks better.
Yeah, I got to be right there. Okay. Let's check this far one down here. Yeah, about the same. Do this one and we'll call it good.